Hello, welcome to this movie in which I will show you how to perform analysis of lung metastases with the Imalytics Preclinical software. So let's open the software first and let me load an example dataset under Tutorials, CT, Lung Metastases, Load Example Dataset. When you open this 3D rendering and rotate it a little bit, you can see that we have here a CT scan of a mouse with 3 lung metastases. But I will close the segmentation because we want to generate it by ourselves now. For the segmentation itself, we really don't need this 3D rendering, so I will close it. You can open some more slice views like the corona or the sagittal slice view for the segmentation of the metastases. Let me adjust the windowing from -1000 to 500. That we see the lung tissue a little bit better and also the metastases. So we can see here the bronchi in dark and some blood vessels in white, and also the metastases, they are brighter than the blood vessels. So we have a small one here, we have an intermediate one here, and we have a large metastasis here. And I'm used to look at those metastases in CT scans, so for me it's easy to find them and to see them. But if you are a beginner or not so experienced, it might be hard to see. And a good advice to differentiate them from the blood vessels is to go back and forth in the image, and you can see that the blood vessels, they branch, so they disappear in these slices, but the metastases, they stay. They get smaller and bigger, but they always stay at the same position. And this might help to find them. Now let us segment the metastases. I will add a class met. I will start with the big one. If you're interested, you can measure the diameter before of the metastasis. For example, for the big one, it's 1.5. For the intermediate one, it's 1.2, 1.3, and for the small one it's around 1.5. So this might be helpful for some calculations, but I don't really need it for the segmentation, so I deleted it. I will use the scribble drawing to segment the metastases. So I will draw scribbles around the boundaries, and you have to draw as many scribbles as you can and as many slice views to make it more accurate. Okay, then you press F3 and F4 to assign the mask to the segmentation of the metastasis. Now we can go to the it's not very accurate, so I have to continue a little bit here. To really get the whole metastasis. F3 and F4 again. Okay. Now I can go to the intermediate one, this one here. I recommend to press F4 before you start delineating this one. So F1 deletes all scribbles. If you by coincidence place some scribbles in the scan. So always press F1 before you start delineating a new region. In the same way, just delineate it. Press F3 and F4. A little bit better. F3 and F4. Okay, and now we can go to the small one here. Again, press F1, and then we can continue with the last one, the small one. F3 and F4. Okay, we can check it out in 3D, how it looks. We have to adjust the windowing again. See, for the small one that we have some single pieces, so we have to continue some segmentation here. You can smooth it a little bit, then it looks a little bit more roundish. Okay, now we can perform some statistical analysis. When you go to statistics, number of components, you can see that 3 components is for the class met, so we have 3 lung metastases. This function might be helpful when you have more metastases, for example, liver full of liver tumors or liver metastases. You can also make a movie of the metastases under save image movie, save screenshot, save rotation time movie. This might be interesting for some publication or presentations. And for also statistics, I will split the class met into 3 single classes. Let me call them met1. I perform a fill region here. I will go to the smallest here. And then met2 for the intermediate here. And met3. And when you go to statistics again, class statistics selected layer, you can see here that met1, met2, met3 have different volumes. We can delete the class met because it's empty. And you can use these parameters for further analysis and calculations. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.